Welcome back, everyone. Beautiful weather outside right now with partly cloudy skies. Temperature-wise, we're warming up into the 60s, 62 degrees for Ottawa and Bluffton, 61 in Lima, or I should say 59 in Lima, 61 in Findlay. So as we look at the radar and satellite picture, you can see we are kind of squeezed in between two areas of light showers right now. We have some rain down around the Cincinnati area pushing its way in the southern parts of the state around Chillicothe. We have another batch of showers near Detroit over into Chicago. And this rain's going to largely stay north of us this afternoon, but there will be at least a low chance with a front nearby. We could spark an isolated shower and possibly even a thunder shower embedded in there this evening. But, you know, it's going to be very isolated rain coverage with this activity, so not overly impressive. No severe weather is expected today, but that will start to change moving forward. We've got a system just starting to gear up across the Rockies right now. We have an area of low pressure that's going to roll out and deepen and strengthen just like we saw last week, which will once again bring impactful weather for much of the country. You can already see the colorful weather alert map here from the blizzard watches and blizzard warnings here over the northern plains states. You've got winter storm warnings across Wyoming, and then you've got some high wind warnings down across New Mexico and high wind watches in the Texas Panhandle. So again, the system is certainly bringing impactful weather with it, and we'll be seeing that rolling east into the central part of the country over the coming days. For the northern plains, it's a snowstorm. In fact, some areas will see over a foot of snow across the Dakotas, so winds gusting at times over 50 miles per hour there. Now, for us, it's not snow, but unfortunately, it's that warm air that's going to collide with the cool air as the cold front arrives midweek and brings our next round of severe weather potential. Tomorrow, this will gear up west of here over Illinois, Iowa, Missouri. We have this area of the moderate risk. Again, it's very rare you see that on a day 2 weather outlook, so we'll see some tornadic activity likely in those zones tomorrow. There's an outside chance of severe weather here tomorrow night, but Wednesday is our main threat as this cold front will sweep in from the west and bring at least a couple batches of showers and thunderstorms going throughout our Wednesday forecast. So that's the day we need to keep a very close eye and stay weather aware for the possibility of those storms to become severe. Now, this afternoon, again, it's nothing more than isolated rain activity on the radar. We see especially north toward Defiance, Toledo. A few isolated showers at 5 p.m. Around Lima, we start to increase the cloud cover, so less sunshine getting toward the evening, but temperatures very nice and pleasant out there. And we'll continue to keep a few hit and miss showers out there, but again, nothing widespread tonight. More of activity expected to stay north in the Michigan. And as we go into tomorrow's forecast, starting off near 50 degrees, most of tomorrow's dry. Some late-day sunshine will boost our temperature with a temperature getting close to 70 degrees by 6 in the evening. So much of the state will be very warm, except if you're in Toledo, where you get that east wind off of Lake Erie. You're only in the 40s while it's pushing 80 in areas like Dayton and Cincinnati. So it's always amazing how much the temperature can vary in just a few miles. Again, Toledo's forecast influence there by Lake Erie. And then as we go into Wednesday, again, we're watching that chance for some thunderstorms and severe weather. So a lot of the storms tomorrow night will be just west of our area, but then Wednesday, this cold front's going to start bearing down on the area and bring our chance for thunderstorms. You notice here, Wednesday at 2 p.m., we have widely scattered thunderstorms on the forecast model with temperatures as warm as the middle and upper 70s. That's fuel. The warmth combined with the high levels of moisture and the wind shear in the atmosphere, well, that is what we need to get severe weather. So it all kind of comes together over our neck of the woods Wednesday afternoon. So some localized damaging winds and possibility for a few brief spin-up tornadoes in there as well. Here's a look at 7 p.m. Wednesday, the final batch of thunderstorms moving through at that time. Temperatures reach up into the mid-70s on Wednesday. We could go even higher than that. And then Thursday, we're dropping down to 54, but we are drying out with some filtered sunshine and then more sunshine on Friday. As we go into Easter weekend, things are looking good with dry skies and milder temperatures as well.
And it looks like we're off that Friday roller coaster.
We had 5 straight Fridays, so it's about time we get off that Friday roller coaster.